Natural resources. It is a useful thing that comes from nature. Light and heat from sun, land, water, air, forest, and animals are natural resources. There are some underground resources like coal, oil, and gas. It takes millions of years in formation of these resources. These resources are used as fuel in our daily life. A fuel is anything that we burn to get heat and light. Types. Resources that cannot be replaced. There are resources that cannot be replaced once they are consumed, like coal, oil, natural gas. Resources that can be replaced. There are resources that can be replaced once they are consumed, like forests. Never-ending resources. There are resources that can never be end up like air, water, and sunlight. Uses of natural resources. Oil is used for fueling. It is used as petroleum to run the vehicles. Natural gas can be used to generate electricity and cooking food in homes. Forests are used as animals' food and wood as fuel. Oil and natural gas will not last forever, so we should use them wisely.